I'd like to share with you a brief history of our space journey. At Delta Cygni Labs, we have more than a decade background in augmented and virtual reality. We started in an applied research organization, VTT, worked a lot with the Finnish and European industry in thermonuclear, nuclear, space, machine building projects. And the journey started in the late 2008 when Thales Alenia Space commissioned a research project from us to develop the next generation of maintenance system for the International Space Station. So the problem is that in Turin, the daughter company of Thales, they host an operational support room for the Columbus module of the International Space Station. There's HD video coming from the board, but it's impossible to communicate back. You cannot say, Jack, check that wire. There's no left, right, top and bottom in space, so it's a big problem. And then at that time they started to prepare for the future Moon and Mars missions. They needed something new, something workable that would work beyond the space station. So we started research. It took us a few years. December 2012, we brought a prototype to Torino, 2 suitcases of wires. And the guys at Thales, they loved it. They say, guys, we believe in it, we want to buy, but we cannot buy from a researcher organization. You have to be a company. So we incorporated, we launched our company in the mid-2013. So what we did first, we miniaturized these 2 suitcases into a nice box to replace the item there on the space suit, on the space suit called auxiliary visor assembly. And projected instructions straight in the work area. Very nice system. It was very well received by the space agency. And then one of the astronaut trainers, Marco, said that, guys, I believe that this system will end up on Mars. But what you have to do, you have to go back to the wilderness on Earth. You have to make sure that you change the work processes here on Earth first, then the ground segment, then the ISS, then Moon, then Mars. Go there. And we realized, well, not a bad idea. But the system has to be far more scalable than the hardware. Basically, when the problem hits and 1 hour downtime of your equipment is 50K, help has to be in your pocket. What do you have in your pocket? You have a smartphone. So we pivoted, and now it's called Pointer, and it's reliable, secure, scalable solution. This is how we stand out. Think about it. Pointer is the only remote calibration solution approved to be used in power plants. You cannot walk to a power plant with Skype. You can walk with Pointer, and thanks to our space background. We have quite a compact team to handle the global deployments of the software. We live in the app and the cloud era. Currently, we have 25 paying corporations and 20,000 customers. To grow beyond that, we're seeking for investment. We're looking for channel partners who can help us to enter new B2B markets. And currently, we're also working in an ESA PointSat project where we further optimize pointer communication through satellite for the most challenging space-like applications in maritime, in mining, in oil and gas, anywhere where you need help. You're in the middle of nowhere, you need help. And this project helps us to achieve our grand space mission. When the first humans land on Mars, they will have all the knowledge of humanity in their pocket through Pointer. Thank you.